Innovation in the field of sound technology seems to be faster than other sectors. Perhaps this is the reason for which new speakers, headphones, and Bluetooth headphones are being sold in the market. The noise-cancelling headphone is an amazing addition to the market, and music lovers, busy executives, and travelers love these headphones. Among many headphone-producing companies, JBL is a renowned name for its excellent bass and sound quality, and its wireless Bluetooth headphones are praised by the users. Dear subscribers, today we've got JBL T600BTNC noise cancelling on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. A long history of 60 years of JBL is reflected on its T600BTNC noise cancelling headphone. It's got a marvelous look and compact folding design. The headphone is made with high quality materials that have made the ear cups comfortable, and it's an excellent headphone for wearing for a long time. It's got 3 buttons remote control on it, which makes controlling music and managing calls easy. The JBL T600BTNC noise cancelling on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphone produces excellent sound quality with JBL Pure Bass. It captures the low-end sound very well, and vocals and mid-frequency music is crystal clear, and the high-end is well balanced. The 32mm driver of the headphone ensures excellent sound. The Bluetooth connectivity feature of the headphone is great, and it provides strong signals from an extended range. Noise cancellation feature of JBL T600BTNC makes it an exceptional headphone. The driver manages 1 kHz to 1 MW, 100 decibels. It makes your surround quiet. It's foldable and more comfortable to carry when you're traveling. The headphone comes with a long-lasting battery that lasts for 16 hours. And it takes only 2 hours to get fully charged. Another interesting fact is you can listen to music using the detachable wire as well as wirelessly. It's time for us to investigate user ratings about the headphone to see what others are saying about the product. The T600BTNC has got 4.6 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 149 customer ratings, which suggests the headphone is extremely popular among users. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "I love these. The color is pretty and they work well and are easy to operate. Got these for a 4,200-mile road trip. Apparently they kept me quiet in the backseat." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "I think these are my favorite headphones I've had for travel yet. They're loud enough, noise cancelling works great, bass is decent, batteries seem long enough. I've used them on 2 trips to the West Coast now, long flights, and batteries have held up just fine." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "It plays good on Bluetooth, but had it using the auxiliary cord, only one side plays." That's all we have on the JBL T600BTNC noise cancelling on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphone for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.